really like this setting. I think we just need to find an individual to walk into that little space there. A very different day today, and not just the weather, sound, because I remembered to bring the microphone with me. Back in Lyme Regis, the sun's not out and it's threatening to rain. Nice big red thing, and I like the textures on the tarpaulin sides. It's nice, but importantly I had to find an angle where I could get this bin out of the shot. But I did, and that was good.
Alright, well I'll be in the car park anyway, so I got to.
So this is nice. These are all separated and the ropes attaching. The trick with this is to find a place where I can focus and get a decent shot of it. But I love the fact that it's a really nice clean background, nothing interfering with it, so this should actually be quite nice. So I was just getting this shot of these posts and ropes when a lady with her dog walked around the corner. Just absolutely miraculous, because I could have probably waited for 4 days for that to happen. I had to work quite quickly. I wasn't sure if I got the shot, but you judge. There aren't very many people here on the Cobb, Lyme Regis, famous Cobb. But what I'm hoping for is somebody to walk into this space. I need to get a little bit closer, I think, and to find a spot. It's going to be difficult because there's nothing but water in front, and I don't have a wide enough lens. Well, I'd really like to make something of these old worn steps, but this sign here is going to make it very difficult. I'm going to have to go for a very tight shot, I think, a detail. See what I can do, but it is lovely, the textures on those steps, the number of feet that must have gone up and down them. Yeah, this actually worked really well, because I was able to keep the sign out by just coming in tight on the steps, keeping those in the extreme right-hand side of the frame, and then letting this wall, as you can see, letting the wall peel off to the left-hand side, this lovely arc, and that's by far and away the nicest picture that I've had over the 2 days that I've been here. Amazing. There might be more to be had down here. This is just such a lovely shape, the way it sweeps around. And we're getting a little bit of rain, which isn't good, because I'm a little bit exposed here out on the quay, and I don't know where I'm going to go for any shelter. Let's see what happens. The tones in the water and the sky are amazing. It's just like a really lovely steely blue. I really like that. It's One of my favourite sets of tones. And I thought it was raining, but it wasn't. I think it's waves on the other side of this wall. It's waves crashing against there and splashing over. It's a little bit of milky sun coming through. The clouds are starting to break up a little bit, so we might be in for some nicer weather. What do you think, Doc? Hey? Are we in good shape? Good boy. So this is for that really wide format. This I think was going to work really quite well. This building here, just here, and from ground level I lose a lot of this fussiness on the right hand side. So my crop came in just to the left here, just to the right here. We had, I think there might have been a little bit of beaching at the bottom. I can't remember now, but yeah, it was sweet, and that format works perfectly for that kind of landscape. So I'm hoping these guys stay up here because I want a shot of them down here somewhere, but I've got that annoying sign in there as well, and I think that might have to come out in Photoshop because I'm not going to waste this. Anyway, I need to get on, find my spot. So this worked really nicely. We got these two guys walking along the top of the quay, or the Cobb as it's called. But then we had two more people that weren't quite so nice walking along the bottom, and I had to be really quick, keep them out of the frame while keeping the guys on the top in the shot, and it worked out really well. I didn't have time to change the frame, but I think it was okay. I think it was okay as it was, but I might have a look at it in that wide format too. The light behind them, just gorgeous. Over on just to the left-hand side of that white bright spot is some rain passing through. I'm going to get a couple more shots of this, I think. Yeah, those two were really good, especially the red jacket.